In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find plumbers near me. To get started, open your web browser and go to yelp.com. Yelp is a popular website that helps you find local businesses, including home service providers like Plumbers. It's especially useful because it gathers business listings, customer reviews, ratings, and location details all in one place, which makes the search process much easier. Once you're on the Yelp homepage, you should see a section related to finding the top plumbers. This gives you a quick starting point and helps confirm that you're in the right category. Yelp is designed to make local searches simple, so the main search area is usually easy to spot near the top of the page. Next, look beside the plumber search area for the location search bar. This is the field where you tell Yelp where you want to search. The location is important because Yelp uses it to show plumbing services that are close to you or close to a specific address you enter. At this point, you can type your address into the location box. If you want the most relevant nearby results, entering your full address or at least your city or zip code can help Yelp narrow the list. This is useful if you're trying to find someone who can reach your home quickly, especially for urgent plumbing issues. If you prefer, you can also choose the current location option instead of typing an address manually. This allows Yelp to use your device's location to find plumbers in your area automatically. If your browser asks for permission to access your location, make sure to allow it if you want the most accurate local results. After that, click the search button. This tells Yelp to run the search using the plumber category and the location you selected. In just a moment, the site will load the available options for your area. Once the search is complete, all the plumber results near you will appear on the screen. From there, you can start looking through the listings to find a provider that fits your needs. You'll typically be able to see business names, star ratings, review counts, and sometimes service details right from the results page, which can help you compare your options quickly. And that's it! By using Yelp, entering your location, and running the search, you can quickly find plumbers nearby and start narrowing down the best choice for your situation.